Guys, I'm here today to officially make the announcement of the establishment of the West Louisville Chess League. That is the West Louisville Chess League, something I started in June 2016. If you go to my website, you'll see the tournaments have been scheduled. All of them will be at 3415 Bardstown Road, second floor. We'll have a tournament in October, November, January, and February. In October, it would be the Greater Louisville National Chess Day Tournament. In November, it would be the Giving Thanks Chess Tournament. In January, it would be the Martin Luther King Jr. Chess Classic. And in February, it would be the Louisville Metro Police Department Chess Classic. That would be the whole series. There is a fee involved in getting your team involved. The fee is $125, due by the first week in September. This is a chess team-based tournament series. There'll be two divisions. Teams will compete in one division for division championship, and then teams will compete in the other division for the division championship. And then the two division champs will compete for the league championship. And if you go to my website, you'll get a few more details, but that's basically what it all is. And again, for your team to be involved, the league fee is $125. Now, it covers everybody in your team for the whole tournament series, okay? There will be two division trophies awarded, Division A, Division B, and then the two division winners will compete for the championship, and we'll have a major trophy for that. Guys, this is an historic event in that chess has been here in Louisville for decades. But the activity in West Louisville has been minimal. Not because there's no interest in West Louisville. It's just that no one is really going in there and organized in a serious manner. But that's what I'm doing. And this is what I'm doing with the West Louisville Chess League. I encourage you to support it. If you're a business, maybe you'd like to offer some sort of support, please contact me. urbanlouisvillechess@yahoo.com. If you're a school, particularly a Title I school or a West End school, please contact me about getting your team involved. So again, go to my website, get more information, or contact me directly at urbanlouisvillechess@yahoo.com. Contact me about the West Louisville Chess League. Thank you.